that whatever he has revealed, that is only 10% of it. So what I am going to reveal on 10th September, Rahul Gandhi will regret for his life that why I have appointed this guy as a deputy leader in the parliament and the president of Assam Congress Committee. So now I know that Rahul Gandhi himself is encouraging Pakistani element in Congress party. Otherwise, if in a family 3% is not a citizen of India, only 1% is citizen of India, then who is nationalist party is going to encourage that guy? যিজন মানুহে নিজৰ লৰা ছোৱালীক ভাৰতীয় হোৱাৰ যোগ্যতা বুলি নাভাবে তেওঁ আমাৰ লৰা ছোৱালীক কি চকুৰে চাব? No, I think we are going to take action. Who is saying that we are not going to take action? So on 10th of September, we are going to take action. Who is saying that action will not be taken? Two things, that his son was a citizen of India and showing total disregard to this country. He by himself signed the application. Actually, I thought 2021 he has decided to leave this country. That is why he has changed the citizenship of his son in 2021, post-COVID. I know the date also. And we have the exact copy of application also with us. His daughter was born in Britain. That is correct. But his son was an Indian citizen. Kot janmo hoise moi najano. But he had a Indian passport. In 2021, after I formed the government in Assam, he surrendered his son's British passport or Indian passport and he took a British passport. COVID logot kono link নাই. যিমান পাৰে অসত্য কথা কৈ আছে 10 তাৰিখে ৰাস্তাত উলাব জাগা নোহোৱা হ'ব আৰু তেওঁৰ পৰিবাৰে আইবিৰ ওপৰত নজৰ ৰাখিছিল for the climate activist. There is a report we have. She quoted a report extensively quoting from a IB documents. That means she has a link. She has somebody in IB who will feed her information. On that basis, she advised climate people that whether to invest in India or not India. It's a very serious allegation. Very, very serious allegation. And I am again, as a Chief Minister of Assam, I am repeating, his visit to Pakistan was to get a training, nothing to do with his wife. Because at that time, his wife was not in Pakistan, wife was in India. Assam has taken remote area, vulnerable area and border area. And will encourage our original inhabitants and indigenous Indian citizens to apply and take arms license as per the eligibility provided in the Indian Arms Act. People of Assam knows which area is vulnerable, which area is remote. So all our deputy commissioner knows that. So vulnerable means wherever there are people who feel safe. They feel threatened to their life and property. So this definition in Assam everybody knows. So it is not a very complicated item.
Pakistan and then also challenge the government that why the government is not taking any action to visit and his children and wife not being Indian citizens.
So, ji manhor লাজ নাথাকে হি এবিলাক মই আগতে জি মানুহৰ লাজ নাথাকে তেতিয়া একেবাৰে মানুহ এজন নিলজ্জ হৈ যায় কোনো লিমিট নাথাকে তেতিয়া কয় যে মোৰ লৰাও বিদেশী মোৰ ঘৈণীও বিদেশী ছোৱালীও বিদেশী কি কৰ সেইটো একদম যেতিয়া এটা মানুহ নিলজ্জতাৰ শেষ পৰ্যায়ত যায় যে ইয়াতকৈ আৰু নিলাজ নাই তেতিয়া মানুহ এটাই কয় আজি যদি কোনোবা এটা মানুহে কয় যে মই অসমীয়া বিৰোধী হয় মোক কি কৰিবি কৰ তেতিয়াতো আৰু কোনো একো কৰিব নোৱাৰে So এইটো যিটো তেওঁ কৈছে এটা কথা মই ডেফিনেটলি কৈছো যে হোৱাট এভাৰ হি হেজ ৰিভিল that is only 10% of it. So what I am going to reveal on 10th September, Rahul Gandhi will regret for his life that why I have appointed this guy as a deputy leader in the parliament and the president of Assam Congress Committee. Eতিয়াৰ পৰা গোটেই সৰু সজাই স্পোৰ্টছ কমপ্লেক্সটো অৰ্জুন ভোগেশ্বৰ বৰুৱা স্পোৰ্টছ কমপ্লেক্স নামে জনা যাব। এজ এ ভোগেশ্বৰ বৰুৱা স্পোৰ্টছ কমপ্লেক্স আমাৰ ষ্টেট ইনষ্টিটিউট অফ পঞ্চায়ত এণ্ড ৰুৰেল ডেভেলপমেণ্ট ইয়াক গোলাপ বৰবৰা ষ্টেট ইনষ্টিটিউট অফ পঞ্চায়ত এণ্ড ৰুৰেল ডেভেলপমেণ্ট হ'ব আৰু মঙলদৈ জিলা ষ্টেডিয়ামটোক ৰজা ধৰ্মনাৰায়ণ ষ্টেডিয়াম ৰূপে ইয়াক নামাকৰণ কৰা হৈছে।